Today we're going to look at what causes white spots on nails. Most people seem to think that white spots on nails are caused by calcium deficiency. However, it is much more likely that these spots are calcium deposits caused by hitting your nail at its base or matrix. Because a normal fingernail takes about 8 months to grow out completely, the mark might not appear for several months. If you see white spots halfway up your nail, the damage probably happened about 4 months earlier. White spots can also be due to dehydration. Simply not drinking enough water or using a nail polish remover with too much formaldehyde or toluene can cause white spots. Other causes include allergy to nail products used, a fungal infection, or a mild zinc deficiency caused by change in hormone levels, colds, or viral infections. If you want strong, healthy nails, be sure that your diet is rich in vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, and iron, calcium, zinc, and sulfur, as well as the essential fatty acids. If you follow this advice, you're going to have nice, clear, glossy looking nails without any white spots.